That bad, huh?
I don't. I mean, like the last game was the worst game I've had in the Mad Dog today.
Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems
You have a target paint on your back there, Nate.
Oh yeah?
Going to the right.
Did they do a good paint job?
Yeah, I don't know, it's like I said, there's a target on your back, like, literally.
Right, through here, please. Is that what?
Kinda, sorta.
It says, is everyone awake?
We're awake. Start moving.
Yeah, not really. I need a coffee. Or maybe a quadruple espresso with half a bottle of Amarilla.
Oh, see. Then you had to go put the Amarilla in there.
Of course.
I was like,
I haven't had any for so long.
God, I used to drink sweet and sours all the time at home even. So good.
Entirely too addictive.
Artillery strike online.
Boy, it's taking forever to get there.
Oh, Kalam, I love how your colors glow on this map.
Woo-hoo. Oh my God, you're right. Look at that neon.
Target acquired.
Going for legs on that guy. Holds. I would if I could hit him.
Okay. Ooh, try aiming.
Oh shit.
Helps. Yeah. I'm there for you, buddy. He has help.
Artillery strike activated. Target acquired.
Alright, I gotta stop overheating. That would also help.
Critical.
Jumping already on the guy.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of friends.
Target acquired. Critical.
Back to Bravo.
Clayton doesn't want it. Clayton doesn't want it. I didn't want to have keep strike.
On Echo.
Acquired.
Left torso.
Critical.
Oh god. Overheats.
Dude, I know, right?
Left torso.
Here's
Critical.
Hot. Had to drop down.
Delta. Left, right torso.
Yeah, Delta.
What?
Right torso. We're taking the middle, it seems.
No, we're not, because I'm leaving the middle.
We can't take.
Side torso, right side torso on Echo.
I guess not.
New target acquired.
I feel like we should more teammates. Where?
New target acquired.
Here. I'm in a direwolf, so might take me a bit. Call me the
How
boss.
are you not already here?
New target acquired.
Just working on India. One little laser poke at a time, because that's all I can do with this hot fucking map.
Everything's beyond.
New target acquired.
My ring.
Yep, I was on that guy.
down is inadvisable. Alright,
Why is everyone down below? Come on. That's
New
not where they are.
target acquired.
our dire will finally get in there against some.
Oh my Jesus! The guy headshot me. No, he just did my side torso out.
Warhawk. I can't peek.
We had
Nachos,
bottom. We had this. If only these.
our guys. We have a bunch of guys below helping us.
Yeah, get up top, guys. We have this middle. We can get in there.
Yeah, they don't have the health. We can't actually take.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I mean, we're all up here.
Well, okay, I don't
We have
know.
the health. We have the health. We can do this. Oh, that's
Target
mean. Dude.
acquired.
Really wish they had been in here earlier.
New target acquired.
Check to your left.
How's your health?
I'm okay.
Thunderbolt with 4 ER large lasers behind you is in good shape comparatively to this laser match.
Help me. We need the direwolf to put.
He's coming. You guys ought to be prepared for it. Be prepared for the direwolf push. Go with him, guys. Go with him.
SRM destroyed. Heat sink destroyed. Target
Alright,
acquired.
side torso on the big guy.
Target destroyed.
Nice job, guys.
Heat. Target destroyed.
Around 9.
Those guns look like fun. Except you
Alright, lay down the ground with me.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Nice.
Nice.
That was a waste of a cool shot. I have 91 shots left, and I think I started like 600 or something. Maybe not 600, but
Nice game, guys. Good job, Meats.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, maybe
Nice
nice
job.
Yeah, well done, Charlie Lance.